sure most of us, we had questions. But obviously, I've always stressed this thing of Kaizer Chiefs chopping and changing each and every game. Up until today, we still don't have a solid starting 11 that we all know which I value your attacker ngalaba, so defender ngalaba, esiswini sinalaba. Okay, obviously we know goalkeeper Peterson because of 10 clean sheet value. Obviously, we can't fault him at this moment. But I'm not happy with the fact that we keep on changing time and again. Next game you'll find out with this different. This game number 14 with PSL. Are we still saying Namanje? We don't know with starting 11. But speaking of the starting 11, I was not happy with it. Why are we playing uMcCarthy position 3? Because I feel like he was a bit shaky for me. He was not actually giving us what a Marco could give you, you know. Because if it meant we needed to be more defensive, we could have sacrificed either Ukwenika or Miguel and then push uMcCarthy as a center back. And then this is the first time seeing the combination of Ndlovu Nomabo, which was very impressive. I think they were able to manage the game well. For me, I think they had a good game. A very good one.